is called degenerate eigenvalue. What it is called? Degenerate eigenvalue. Degeneracy means repeating. And the corresponding eigenvector. And the corresponding eigenvector. Corresponding eigenvector is called degenerate eigenvector. Degenerate eigenvector. For example, if A is equal to, question itself will tell. If A is equal to 2, then eigenvalues of A are, then find AM. Tell me what are the eigenvalues for this matrix?
0, 0, 0.
3 zeros and 8.
What is the shortcut? Whenever you have all k's, k, n by n, we have discussed shortcut, n by n. Then what are the eigenvalues? K is not 0, of course. Then n minus 1 eigenvalues will be 0, nth eigenvalue will be n. If k is not 0, provided. If k is 0, everything will be 0. Now your k is here 2, n is 4 by 4 order. So what are the eigenvalues of this matrix? Eigenvalues are eigenvalues of A. Eigenvalues of A are n is 4, k is 2. So how many eigenvalues will be 0? 4 minus 1, 3 eigenvalues. Next eigenvalue is 4 into 2, which is 8. 3 eigenvalues are 0, 4th eigenvalue is n into k. Now, what are the eigenvalues? Different eigenvalues 0 and 8 are different eigenvalues. How many eigenvalues it is having? 4. But how many distinct eigenvalues it is having is only 2. Because 0 is repeating and 8 is only occurring once. So what is the algebraic multiplicity
3,
of 0?
3.
Yes, 3. Because it is repeating 3 times. What is the algebraic multiplicity of this 8?
1.
It is occurring once. So it is 5. This is how we find out algebraic multiplicity. How many times it is repeating? That is called algebraic multiplicity. 0 is degenerate eigenvalue. 8 is non-degenerate.